Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a little while since I did a tool review and I've had this one for quite some time. I'm not really sure how long I've had it, but this is the Milwaukee M12 Gen 2 half-inch impact wrench. It's the 256320. So this impact, man, it touts some great big numbers. So just how big are those numbers? Well, first of all, look at this. It's not a very big impact, but it boasts 550 foot-pounds of nut-busting torque, so in reverse, and it does supposedly 400 in tightening. So I've been using this out in the garage, and I'll talk about that in a minute, but let's go over a few things. First of all, the way you set the power level is different now. Let's take a look at this thing. So on this, it tells you how to change the modes right there. You see it? Okay. All you have to do is put this into neutral. In other words, the switch that takes you from forward and reverse, put it in the center position, and then press your trigger twice and it'll move. And it'll keep moving to each position until you get it to where you want. There's 3 positions plus a position that it sort of tightens it down to snug and then stops. So when I got this, I think I already had, no, I bought the 5.0 high output battery with it. And a lot of the channels that I've seen reviewing this that actually tested its power, well, they say you can mainly only get those big numbers using this 5.0 battery. I'm not sure why the 6.0 won't do it, but it won't. Few things, the light, nice little light, it lights it up pretty good. Like I said, I've been using this a little bit. I've used it doing a service on my motorcycle. I used it building my loft, and well, it's just been around and it's been working pretty good. I really like it. So let's cut to a video of me testing it out between the M18 3/8. Okay, it's M18 and it's a 3/8. I don't have a whole lot to compare it to. I had an M12 3/8, but I gave it to my son because, well, you know. I also sort of tested against the half-inch impact, but I don't time it, the big half-inch impact. The main thing there is this can do a lot of work in a lot of places where that big half-inch impact can't go. And it can do some work. This really come in handy on some brakes I replaced recently. Very nice. So let's look at that video now. I feel it was a significant amount faster, but anyways. So it didn't blow it away, but those are lag bolts. I think they were 5/8 inch lag bolts. And it put them in there pretty good. Now, I'm going to show you another one here. Boy, that impact is heavy.
Hey, let's use a little one for this one. This is perfect for it. Oh, it's so much lighter.
So in that part of the video right there, I decided to pick this up and use it to tighten my bolts up. I double stacked these joists or header boards, whatever you want to call it. Anyway, it does a great job. I'm really loving this thing. It seems well made, and I'm gonna keep on using it, you know, and I'll come back later and tell you if it breaks or if it doesn't do a good job on something. I still want to get some more time with it, but I really like it, and I think it's worth your money to go out and get it. I got mine from Home Depot. They were out of stock forever. Finally got my hands on one, and like I said, I'm loving it. Thank y'all for watching this video. If you don't mind, hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications, and like this video. Thank y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed week and take care of each other.